CRA kana Commission of Revenue Allocation nira propose kana nira propose oria mandate ni constitution iroiga counties inengero 370 billion mwaka uyu ukite the next financial year. National tacio mbeca iria marahetwo this current financial year. Na nyambe kwira eroreria ati kana thikiriria ati mbeca icio ni iria tuongererithirie kuma 316.5 billion to 370 billion. No riu mutaratara ukoragwo ati iyo ni proposal maheana. Nitugucoka turehe iuke Senate na negero committee yakwa. Committee yakwa ni gukorwo ikirora proposal eyo na ni nguona tatungikorwo tukirora na tuone kuma 370 niki kingi tungihota kwaririria counties tondu wira wa Senate mandate iria nene muno, the key mandate imwe niyo ya ku protect counties na allocation of resources.